In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to create a column chart using the Visualizer plugin. Visual aids like graphs, bars, and pie charts, as well as other data displays, are a perfect way to add your data beautifully and seamlessly with your content. You can easily add them using the Visualizer plugin. If you've saved your data in a spreadsheet, maybe using Excel, Google Sheets, or another spreadsheet program, then you can also display that data as a chart using this plugin. To do this, first you need to install and activate the Visualizer plugin. I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, if you notice, you'll see the Visualizer icon on your dashboard. Go to the icon, and then click on Add New Chart. Now, here you have a few different chart types to choose from. There are also a few premium chart types, but they come with the upgraded version of the plugin. And if you do need them, they're there. So now let's select the column chart. Then click on Next. Now, the first thing you need to do is import your data. So I'm just going to really quickly import some data for this chart. The data that I'm using for these charts is taken from here. You can click on this link to download an example file with the necessary format and then replace it with your data. For this tutorial, I'm using the default data provided in the example file. Now I go to Settings. Here we have the general settings. Here you can give this chart a title, and then from here you can change the title position. You can also change the title color from here, and the axis title from here. And now in the font style settings, you can change the font family and the size of the text. In the legend settings, you can change the position from here. You can change the alignment from here, and you can change the font color as well. Then in the tooltip settings, you can determine the trigger that causes the tooltip to be displayed from here. And you can choose to show color code from here. You can also add animations for this chart. All you have to do is enable this, and then choose the duration in milliseconds. And finally, choose the easing from here. Then you can add the license and creator information from here. Moving right along to the horizontal axis settings. In the general settings here, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color. In the vertical axis settings, we have the general settings here as well. So again, you can add the axis title, change the position of the title, and change the text color. And then you can add grid lines from here. And you can also change the color of those grid lines. Then you can add minor grid lines too. And in the view window, you can add the maximum and minimum data value to render. Now in the bars settings, you can choose the focus target from here. And if you want the bars to be stacked, you can do that here. Then you can choose the point opacity from here, 0 being fully transparent and 1 being fully opaque. Then in the series settings, you can configure each legend from here. Then you have the chart size and placement. In the chart layout, you can configure the total size of the chart. You can add a background color from here, or choose to have a transparent background. Then in the placement setting, you can set the margins as well as the chart area from here. And then finally, click on Create Chart. And as you can see, the chart was created. Now click here to get the shortcode for this chart. And really quickly, let's create a new page and add this chart to it. I'm just gonna give this page a quick title. And then post the shortcode here. Okay, now let's preview this page. And as you can see, the chart was added successfully here. This is how you can create a column chart using the Visualizer plugin. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.